I have my sous chef today, and Levi and I are making
cheese balls.
Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
High five. Did you know that a cheese ball is a way to a woman's heart? So you didn't know. And it's gonna be a cute pumpkin one, so that will win every woman. So put in 2 of these. So there's one.
Watch me grate this cheese. Old cheddar is the only one that actually works because it's old. And as you can see, I'm going top to bottom because you don't want to go bottom up. It won't actually grate the cheese. Ow. It grates my fingers though. You're making a mistake if you're doing that.
Put in a nice handful of cheese, not the whole thing. Handful of cheese. Be generous with the cheese. Women like that. But bacon. Women really like bacon too, right?
Yeah, that's the one thing I know about women. is they love bacon.
Then we're going to put in our
onion.
That looks like a good amount. Worcestershire sauce. Sure. Can you open that?
Yeah. Oh, maybe not.
Come on, use your muscles. Because girls also like muscles. Come on.
Maybe I hear if you tap on the bottom, it will.
Do I need to get your dad to show?
Maybe. I don't know how somebody's gonna do it. Right? It's gonna go everywhere.
I know. Oh. See, that's so impressive. Okay.
First try.
First try. So this is kind of like a ranch kind of sauce. Put in a good 2 tablespoons of that. That looks good. A few shakes of garlic powder, but not too much because it comes out so fast. Oh, okay, I think that's probably good.
Oh.
Because we don't need very much of that. All right, Levi, this is your turn. Get in there and mix this all up. You know, one thing that is really good that I forgot to put in, but I think we're not going to forget, is dill pickles. Do you like dill pickles?
I don't, personally.
Okay, forget it. Like, it's different, and it tastes really good. Dill pickle, like little crunchy, weeny little bites of it. One thing that I normally always put in cheese balls is nuts or walnuts, but we're not putting it on the outside, so I just thought we better put it on the inside. Here are all my walnuts. Okay, so just so before you finish it, you always have to try it. That's the secret. I think that he is finding a girlfriend.
For sure. With this, hands down.
Hands down. You're gonna be engaged by Christmas. I just kind of made it into a little ball. So now you get another little bowl and you get your saran wrap, just like this. We pour our cheese mixture, just like this, into, look at that. Pull all of the sides together and start to kind of form it into a circle. We want it to look like a pumpkin too.
Perfect.
We pull out more of our saran wrap. We are going to put in our cheese that we did. So pour in your cheese. That's it. Squeeze in your little orange cheese.
Oh, notice the bottom.
Yes, that's being very diligent.
Another reason I'd make a great pudding.
That's not a joke. That's the truth.
You hear that, ladies?
Here's our little pumpkin. We need to make the little pumpkin indents. Take a string like this, squeeze it together. So give it a little squeeze. We need one more, maybe one more through here. Give it a squeeze and a little pull. Now, ta-da! It's kind of cute. We take off the top of your pepper. We stuff this. Here's our pumpkin cheese ball. So now, tell me, would you, if you were a single woman, would you date my son?
Because of this pumpkin?
Yes.
Yeah, for sure. Probably walnuts and apples go well together.
Adorable.
Adorbs. Viola.
Voila!
Made all by myself.
And he's single.
And I'm single.
We're going to see what Grandma thinks of Levi's cheese ball.
She better like it.
Mom, Levi made something. We're trying to see if this would be able to garner him a date with a beautiful woman.
Isn't that cute?
Do you think that should get him a girlfriend?
Oh, girlfriend.
I think, oh man, I'd be impressed.
Enough to.
Ask you on a date?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
yes.
yeah. Oh, perfect.
Isn't that cute? Really, how did you do this?
Honestly, all magic.